Welcome back, cruisers, to a brand new day of daily cruise news updates. Thank you for joining with 4 stories now heading your way as Royal Caribbean Cruise is repaired after suffering propulsion problems. Royal Caribbean itinerary change which guest might like. New Carnival gift and Princess Cruises changes World Cruise itineraries. So join us as we delve fully into all these stories brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Carnival Cruise Line has unveiled its newest loyalty gift for Platinum and Diamond level members of its VIFP programme, a stylish navy blue tote bag. Announced by brand ambassador John Heald, it features red canvas handles and a Carnival Cruise Line logo. It's ideal for beach days or exploring ports. Currently available on select ships like Carnival Breeze and Carnival Celebration, the rollout across the fleet is expected in the coming weeks. This tote bag completes a trilogy of gifts following a belt bag and vanity bag introduced in February 2023. So cruisers, what do you make of the overall look of the bag? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Royal Caribbean International swiftly addresses technical concerns aboard Radiance of the Seas, confirming its May the 3rd departure from Vancouver to Seward in Alaska. Repairing propulsion issues following a failed April the 26th sailing, the cruise now promises smooth sailing for eager passengers. The 7-night voyage encompasses scenic stops in Juneau, Icy Strait Point, Sitka and Skagway before concluding near Hubbard Glacier on May the 10th. With its Alaska season in full swing until September, Radiance of the Seas aims to deliver an unforgettable experience for almost 2,500 travellers. Princess Cruises has made significant adjustments to its 2025 World Cruise Itineraries, responding to geopolitical tensions by avoiding the Red Sea and Asia. Island Princess offers 2 round-trip options, departing from Fort Lauderdale on January the 5th, 2025 and Los Angeles on January the 20th. These revised routes span over 46 destinations across 6 continents, including first-time stops at Patmos in Greece and Volos. Passengers originally scheduled for Dubai departures will now embark from Cape Town on March the 9th. The voyage will continue north along Africa's western coast, calling in the Cape Verde Islands, Madeira in Portugal and Gibraltar. It will then enter the Mediterranean for calls in Italy, Greece, Turkey, Croatia and Montenegro. As originally scheduled, the voyage will arrive in Valletta and Malta on April the 9th. Crown Princess, departing from Auckland on May the 31st and Sydney on June the 4th, will also bypass the Red Sea with its updated itinerary yet to be announced. Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas itinerary change brings forth a unique opportunity for travellers. Originally set to dock in San Juan in Puerto Rico on May the 1st, the cruise now head to Charlotte Amalia in St. Thomas due to pier damage from 11 AM until 8 PM, with the ship also set to visit St. Martin. The unexpected visit coincides with a carnival food fair, showcasing local cuisine, arts and music. Visitors can relish in Caribbean delights and purchase native crafts while enjoying live performances and cultural displays. This alteration follows the removal of Labadee in Haiti from itineraries due to recent unrest, redirecting ships to alternate destinations like St. Martin. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.